If you are a first-time seller, especially if you're a first-time seller, but anyone, picking an estate agent to sell or let your house, you've got a worse than 50% chance of them selling it for you at all, at any price. The trick that most, not all, and it's important that you understand that it's not all, because there are some that don't pull this trick, and these are the ones we want to find. Most estate agents pull a trick that makes you believe you're not going to fall for the trick. All I see is people suffering, not only movers, but good agents as well. And if you are a mover who needs the best price for your house, understand that there are honest agents out there who actually can get you the best price for your house, and you are ignoring them. Please go to bestagent.co.uk, click on Find My Agent, put your basic details in. We don't share your information with anybody else. Your contact information is kept private until you found an agent that you like, and you will have a better chance of finding that agent that will actually get you the best price for your house and allow you to move on with your move and your life. Sorry for being so morose and furious about this, but I don't know how else to get this through to people who keep on falling for the seduction and then wondering why they can't sell their house and then coming to me and complaining about it after I told them not to do that. I don't want to say I told you so to those people, but I told you so.